What is up, guys? Here is my new to me KLX110 2002. It's gonna be a little project bike. It's got quite a bit of work that needs to be done to it. Like it needs new rear wheel bearings, new chain adjuster, needs a new, or the front rim needs to be bent out, and the bike is just overall pretty beat up. But that's right, we're gonna try to attempt to change that. Fix this up, make it a nice little ripper. But let's get started. First off, we're gonna give it a quick little wash, and then we're gonna start tearing it apart. Let's go.
See if it'll fire up. This would be actually pretty cool.
Fires up.
That sounds terrible. Here we go, guys. So we got the motor out. The bike, the frame, it's on its own now. We're gonna continue taking that apart, but mainly what I wanted to do today was take out the motor. And we're gonna start working on this guy. See all this junk and grime on it. We're gonna start taking it apart, cleaning it up, making it nice and shiny. This is gonna be a bit more of a budget build, so we're not gonna be spending a whole lot of money. Just primarily repainting all these faded parts, making it look a bit cleaner. So let's keep on going. the motor out of the bike, all cleaned up, all nice and shiny. So we're gonna start taking apart the pieces that we want to paint, like this cap here. This is the clutch cover, then this engine cover also. We're gonna start pulling them off and then prepping them for a little bit of paint. Hopefully make them look a bit more fresh. Okay, the frame's all clean. All the parts are washed, painted, ready to go. Now we're just gonna start reassembling it. Let's get right to it. We're putting the graphics onto the plastics right now, so let's jump right in.
Here we go, guys. We have finally finished with this build. We finally got her freshed up, looking mint, so much better than it was when we just got it, and all this just in the span of a week. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I really hope you guys liked the video also. If you guys liked, drop a like, subscribe, see more, and see you in the next video. Bye.